like it? Is it good? Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Is it good? Yeah. Today we are going to be making Chrust, but we're going to make them into roses. And Chrust, if you are not familiar with it, it's a very traditional Polish, I believe Polish, I'm pretty sure, dessert. And a lot of times they're called angel wings because the way that you kind of braid them, they look like angel wings. But today we are going to make them into roses, and they are not only beautiful, but they're absolutely delicious. Now I will say, when you watch the video, you're going to see my mom hitting the dough with a rolling pin, and you're going to want to do that. And I know that's weird, but this is going to help get your Chrust get your Chrust really fluffy and crispy. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. So this is a very crucial step. Don't skip it. As always, make sure that you subscribe. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time. This little guy is gonna enjoy his treats. Yeah, bye guys.